welcome to Thank God It's Friday, and what a fashionable Friday it is. We're catching up with Bollywood's favorite designer duo Abu Jani and Sandeep Khosla, who are launching their new line, and here's who stopped by for a chat with them.
Hi, this is Sandeep Khosla. We are backstage at our show. Khosla Jani is the label that we launched today, and we are with Shweta Nanda Bachchan herself.
I've always been the shy member of the family, and I've grown up in front of Abu and Sandeep, and for as long as I can remember, they've been making me do things that I would not ordinarily do. But it's always worth it at the end of the day, and I enjoy myself tremendously.
Jaya, something about Shweta walking tonight?
You know, it was quite funny. I couldn't speak with her. I was out of Bombay. Mumbai, sorry. When I came back, I was on the mobile with her, and I said, "Do you want me to come?" And I felt so stupid for saying it because, you know, it's like those ammas and mummies who go with their daughters.
She told me. She said this to me backstage. Mama wants to come and watch over me.
It's so wonderful that Abu and Sandeep choose real women who are in their 40s as their showstoppers and who are a little out of shape. It's a huge boost to all us women out there. There's always hope, but I think it's wonderful. It's always such a joy to do this with them.
What do you think of Shweta walking the ramp for us today?
I think it's a very proud moment for me as a father to watch her walking the ramp. It's not something that she hasn't done before. It's just that, you know, these gentlemen have not asked me to walk because last time we all walked together. And now we've been isolated, but just looking forward.
Actually, Abu and Sandeep came into my life when I was a very, very young girl, extremely shy. They said you were hiding behind the curtains and your mom had to say, "Come out and meet these friends of mine." And ever since I actually was allowed to go out and wear Indian couture, so to speak, I've been wearing their clothes, and I've actually interned in their offices. I've done tracing for Abu. I've done inventory for them. So I've been a part of the whole Abu Jani Sandeep Khosla journey.
What do you think of Shweta walking the ramp today?
Well, she's walking for you, so I'm sure she'll look beautiful.
I've known them all my life. They're my mamajis, they're my family, they're my favorite designers, they're the world's greatest designers.
He's
and
very
it's an
kind.
Honor, and it's an honor to wear their clothes. I first walked for them, and somebody heckled at me, and Sandeep got very angry. And Lubna actually is the strictest of the lot,
Yes.
so we're not allowed to heckle.
Hi, Karan.
Hello, why you become me?
I've taken over night out tonight. I've become you.
Become night out yourself. Ask
Okay.
me something clever.
Something clever?
Yeah.
What do you have to say about Abu and Sandeep?
You say something clever. What do I say, Abu and Sandeep? What I've said to you, or I'll tell the world, visionary designers, exemplary in what they do, relevant even today, which I think is the most important thing. And I think pioneers. I think these are 4 things that I would say about you.